And when he let the weight go, I said, hey, bro, how many of these we gonna do? He said, we're gonna do as many as we can, Los. That's what he could, Los. I said, all right, bro, put it in the wheelbarrow, open it up. He brought me another one. Put it in the wheelbarrow, open it up, pour the water in there. You add the shovels, you mix that thing with the shovel. I'm teaching you how to pour concrete. I'm teaching you how to lay the foundation for your life. I'm teaching you. You mix it up with that shovel. We done mixing it up. It all look good. We take the wheelbarrow, lift the wheelbarrow, dump the concrete where we wanted to go, take the shovel, smooth that thing out. Smooth that thing out. That was the first 4 bags. That second 4 and that last 4, whoo-wee. I was ready to give up. My hands started hurting. I'm in the heat. I don't like the heat like that. I used to, but I'm in the heat. Now my head is hurting. But at the same time, all I'm thinking to myself is that I'm a man of my word, and I told him I was going to help him. I told him I was going to help. I'm a man of my word. So how can I stop now when we only have this little bit to go? Why would you stop in the 4th quarter?